Successful interior design integrates the landscape and architecture, creates seamless transitions between levels of care, defines a sense of place, reflects a lifestyle, embraces senior living standards, develops a brand, and aids in the environment's marketability. The design of interior spaces can also impact behavior, evoke emotion, assist in cognitive awareness, allow for aging in place, and aid in accessibility. For many older adults, the interior design of their home or senior living environment can be more important than any other aspect. It defines who they are, where they come from, and what is important to them. It offers the familiar contrasted with the new and innovative. The interior design of a project should reflect the resident and the environment where the project is located. A design concept and defined goals can tie the entire project together and inform every design decision. The plan and systems are important, but the interior detailing is critical to a facility's success as an appropriate setting for the aging. Examples: the wrong mounting height for an appliance or handrail can make it unusable. An incorrectly shaped handrail, especially one that is too narrow, can be hard to grasp for someone with arthritis. Floor patterns with strong contrast can be perceived as a hole or step, impeding mobility for those with poor vision. Poorly chosen lighting fixtures can create glare that effectively blinds residents. Many chairs and sofas are too deep or don't have arms that permit an older adult to rise from them without assistance. The wrong carpet will trap stains and odors created by spills and incontinence. These are just some of the hundreds of interior design issues that a sensitive, informed interior design must address. We will discuss some of the most important. From a process standpoint, fully integrated interior design begins with the confirmation of the program and space plan. Interior design team members must be part of the design process from the project's inception. Understanding and sharing in the development of the design concepts and project goals ensures an integrated team approach. Interior design team members can provide the following services: space planning, programming, adjacency diagrams, furniture layouts, budgeting, finish and material selections, decorative lighting selections, decorative plumbing selections, casework, built-in design and detailing, millwork detailing, furniture selection, indoor and outdoor, window treatment selection, interior landscape, interior signage, art selection, accessory selection, bidding documents, and installation coordination.